Hi traders, hope you're doing fine. So we are in the month of December 2025, and we are witnessing a lifetime high in the market. But this is the time where data speaks louder than price. And if you decode the data very well, you can have a good position, at least a favorable risk reward position in the trading journey. So once you log into the Stock Mojo account, you can see we use Future Lab. Just go to the Future Lab, and we have a fantastic feature called Market Movers. So it shows where the price as well as the OI, uh, basically we called build up, long, short, unwinding build-ups are happening, and in which sector does the price is moving on. So I use this feature combined with IVHV to have a good knack where the price moving is in the direction of uh, the price, as well as is the direction is aligned with the data. So let's take an example of Asian Paints. If you click on Asian Paints, you can see yesterday Asian Paints created a one way. If you look at 30 minutes or 1 hour chart, usually your chart should be a bit on a higher time frame. So you can see a build up is happening. After a good volume, you can see a mute, as well as there is a build up happening, as well as the open interest is rising. Now, this can be combined with our one of the best features that we have in our Stock Mojo, which is called IVHV. Now, if you go to the options lab, and if you see IVHV, and if you can see Asian Paints, you can definitely build a good position. I mean, you can buy a future, you can hedge it with call sell or a put buy, or you can simply do a debit spread, which is the best way to manage proper risk reward. Now, as IVHV, whenever a very simple concept which is not used by many traders, actually no one knows much of how the concept work, but we have made it in our Stock Mojo. Like whenever the first time in a month, whenever the HV is higher than IV, okay, or you can simply denote, you can see the 4th November 2025 IVHV is 5.69. The moment it goes into negative, that is where you can spot the same. So on the 4th of November, you can see Asian Paint was 2498. The moment it went to minus, see, look at this. This is the first time on the 7th of November. You can see the price, the red bar below. This is the first time where IVHV went into minus. That means there is an underlying activity which is going on in Asian Paints from not you and me. We are retail participants, but from the big players, the market makers. So what they do is they play with data. When we play with price and we denote action, they simply play with data. So this is very well used by big players, big algo traders, those who wants data on their side. uh, Whenever you see the historical volatility is boggling out or is higher than IV, that means there is an underlying buildup which is going to go berserk. Okay, in most of the cases you can expect the movement to come in sharp in the prices. So I tell all my fellow traders to do a debit spread, simple debit spread will not harm you. You can keep your risk reward profile as it suits you up. So in our tool, whenever see the first time it was negative, the price was 2615. The moment it crosses this is the carry line. You can have this whenever it crosses, see this, it crosses this. Look at the price. Now once the price is moving into negative again, see, look at this. minus 7.6. Look at the price, 2873. Then stays negative, 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 then a sharp drop. Then look at this yesterday, 8.5. The price channeled from the first time negative, that was 2615, to yesterday's closing was 2978. Now be very careful when you see the price action. You combine it with the chart, or combine it with the price action, the daily chart, which you normally use. You can have strong biasness to take the trade, or you can have a confirmation to take the trade according to the HV greater than IV. Now we have made it very simple. We have made it very simple to know. Look at this. Go to 2 months and just check. Double click where you can find something very near to 01. Look at Bale. Look at Cummins India. This is another contender. So Cummins India has just recently uh, came into the chart, and it is negative. It is performing negative. So the price on the 1st December is 4554, 4520. So this again is building up. So once you know this is your candidate, so you can sort the same. Look at ABB, it's coming. So if you go to the chart, so ABB is coming up. Look at the 1st December is 5202, the second one is 5212. So these are all the candidates which, if you track properly, then there is a possibility that a good move is around the corner. You can back test. Look at this: 5226, 56, 54, 54, 54, 53, 51. The moment you see a build up happening first time, 0 0.99 1st February, these are all back tested. You can just back test the same to have the confidence. As I say, do a debit spread. It will not harm you. You can keep your losses in check, like 1:3, 1:2, 1:1. So the more the price action you combine with the data, the more we have good risk to reward favorable. So use this data points in our stock mojo. Go to futures lab, then you can see the build up. The sentiment cycle, look at if you take up Asian Paint, you can again combine. So one, two, three negatives. I mean, the undertone is not at all bearish. This so herein you can check up to 60 days. So you can have all the data which is denoted into short covering. So see the color coding: short covering, short, long unwinding. See, if there is a short, there should be at least 2 to 3 days. Your build up should be there on the short side. But then look at a short, secondly long unwinding. The data nullifies. I mean, no big player is seriously shorting the same. Now, after this, short covering, then long unwinding, then short covering, then long, then short covering, then short, then again long. So someone who is shorting Asian Paints will be having a tough time, or someone who has taken a put in Asian Paints, he will be having a tough time just seeing the chart. But when you combine it with data, the entire new perspectives comes in. So please do use the same. We will be giving more videos, more clarity on how to use the same, and we will be also having a live trading session to keep you in the game. Thank you.